Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Roblox application in your mobile or iOS device. Now wait for Roblox to finish loading. Once you are in Roblox, on the bottom right, tap on the three dots. In here, you're going to scroll down and then look for the gear icon that says Settings. Tap on it. In here, we're going to go and click on Security. Now let's wait for it to finish loading. This will take some time. But don't worry, let's just wait for it for the time being. Now that we're here, we can see the header that says two-step verification. In here, I made sure I turned off everything. Just follow the settings on my screen, then you should be all good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.